When you have finished this topic, you should be able to do the following. Change the style of bullets and numbering. And add and remove a line break. If you want, you can change the look of bullet points in your documents. Let's see how we can make these bullets more interesting looking. We need to go to the paragraph group on the Home tab and select the drop-down menu from the Bullets button. Now you try it. Go to the ribbon, locate the Bullets button, and click the drop-down menu. That's correct. The Bullets dialog box opens with the recently used bullets displayed. This option would remove the bullets from the list in our document. And the style that's currently applied to the list is highlighted. We can select from these different styles. Whatever style we apply will then be used every time we use the ribbon button to create a bulleted list. This bullet will liven up our document. Click to select this style. That's correct. Remember that this style will now be used every time we create a bulleted list, unless we go in and change it again. You can also choose from different styles when you are working with numbered lists. In fact, you can even use letters instead of numbers. We have selected the list, so now let's choose a different numbered bullet for this list. Click the drop-down menu beside the numbering button to see more options. That's correct. You have opened the numbering dialog box. Now let's take a look around. This option removes numbering from a selected list. Note that the current numbering style is highlighted. Whichever of these styles we choose for our list now will also be applied to all subsequent numbered lists. This style looks good. Please click to select this style now. That's correct. Sometimes you need to go to a new line without creating a new paragraph. For example, here we need to add some additional details to this step, and it would make it easier to read if we put it on a separate line. However, when we use the Enter key to go to a new line, Word automatically puts in a number. That's not what we want, so let's undo it. To go to a new line, we need to insert a line break or soft carriage return. Line breaks take you to a new line without creating a new paragraph, so Word doesn't put in a bullet or number. To insert a line break, you hold down the Shift key while pressing Enter. You try doing this. Please insert a line break. That's correct. Now we have a new line without a number, and we can type the extra text. As you can see, line breaks can be a useful tool when you're laying out documents. It's very easy to delete a line break if you decide you don't need it after all. We have moved the insertion point to the start of this line. Now we're ready to get rid of this space. Use the backspace key to delete the line break. That's correct. As you can see, the text has now moved back up so that it runs on from the previous sentence.